Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to show you how to download and install Kali Linux 2020 latest one as fast and as possible in virtual machine. So now to download the virtual machine software, open up your browser and Google virtual machine. Go to the site virtualmachine.org/wiki/downloads. Wait for it to load. I have a really slow internet. This is and to download the Kali Linux file, you have to go to this site, not the VMware, sorry, the virtual machine. Once Virtualbox, then select the only one you can download, the torrent or the ISO. Here's the page. Then you download it. You click the download button. They will ask for you to save file. I don't need it. I already downloaded it. In case of your Windows host, save file. No, I already have it. Then I'm sorry. In between, my PC accidentally restarted, so I lost half of the recording. So basically, what you have to do is go and select this thing. Now, click import. Select the file you want to import. Like go to its location. Then you click import button. Click import. Then you click agree. But an error will happen. Never mind. Error never happened. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's how we imported. Click this. We have to make sure, go to settings. There might be a USB problem. Don't do this, okay? Yeah, enable USB controller. I don't know what I did. I'm pretty sure I fixed it somehow. Click OK, then click start. Might be an error. Okay, ignore. It's loading. As you can see, this is working. So I'll turn this off. Then that's how you install Kali Linux 2020 on a virtual machine. The easiest way. You don't have to do you don't have to download the ISO and install it and go through all the installation process. But the easiest thing is that you don't it won't take that much time. Installing takes a lot of time, and if you are going through the ISO method, like downloading the actual OS ISO instead of this one, you might have to enable networking, and the minimum space should be 20 GB to install Kali Linux files. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for all of you watching. Subscribe, comment and like.